Welcome back, everyone. I remain your host, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to set up your Visual Studio Code. Very easy. So first step is to open your Visual Studio Code. After opening, this is a project I was working on before. You go to Files, then you go to Open Folder, then it automatically open your folder. Then you create a new folder, like what I'm doing here. Then rename your folder. You can rename it anything, maybe your website or something. But I named mine Tommy Dev Tutorials. So after creating a folder, you click on it, select folder, and then it opens that new folder you just created. So after that, you see this welcome page on the VS Code. This is a welcome message they give to you guys. Then you click on new file. Then rename your file index.html, because that's what we're going to be working with. Then style.css. Now that you've renamed those both files, you can see that's our index.html file, and we also have a style.css file. So after that, we're going to locate our file back in our folder. We locate it. Okay, I'm trying to find where I created my file. Okay, there, document. Okay, that is it. Tommy Dev Tutorials. You click on it. Then inside that file, you create another folder and you name it images. That is where you keep all your images, whatever you want to use on your website. Might be your image or anything. Then you go back to your Visual Studio Code, and you can see it has reflected on the Visual Studio Code. Your images folder is already there, and this is also in your folder too at the same time. Isn't that very cool? So this is how it works. Index.html file, type in an exclamation mark, then press enter, like I just did here. That will bring the built-in codes already. Or you can use your you can type in HTML5, then press enter. Like you can see what I did there. It will bring out the built-in codes there already. Now these built-in codes that comes out when you put in your exclamation mark means that it tells the program that okay, this is an HTML program. I want to start coding in HTML language. It tells the program what kind of language you are coding in, like the HTML language. As you can see in the title tag, I am writing my name, Tommy Dev Tutorials there. This title tag means that it is the title of your web page. Now if you go on your browser, it is what you'd see at the top of your web page, like the title of your web page. I'll show you guys right now. Okay, now the next step is to link your HTML file to your CSS file. By doing so, you have to type in link, then press enter. Then it brings out this. Then in that href tag side, you type in the style.css. That way you've linked your HTML file to the CSS file already. They are linked together. As you can see, it takes you directly to the style.css. Once you hover on the style.css and you click on it, it takes you to style.css. It's as simple as that. Okay, so right here, these are the extensions I downloaded already for myself. As you can see, there are different extensions I've used, and themes also. On when you install Visual Studio Code, this is not how the color is. You can change it if you want by going to the extension side and search for just search for theme, and it will bring out different kind of theme for you, anyone you want. Live server. This live server enables you to go live, like when you're coding, whatever it is you're coding, you see it reflect on your web page immediately without having to close your your Chrome again and opening it again to see it. You can see that reflected on your options. Just see open with live server. Once you do that, your codes automatically refresh. It refreshes itself on your web browser. Okay, so now you can see this is our web browser, and you can see that there's nothing there for now because we've not started coding. The only thing you can see there is the title tag, which was in our code where I typed in my Tommy Dev Tutorials. As you can see it at the top here, Tommy Dev Tutorials. Now let me try changing the name so you can see it reflect on the web page. You can see my web page is changed automatically due to the live server we just installed that I showed you back there. So the title tag shows at the top of your web page. As you can see here, I've changed it back to Tommy Dev Tutorials. So it's as easy as that. That's what the title tag does. One more thing, when you are using the live server, whatever changes you are making to your codes, always make sure you press Ctrl S, that is to save. So once you save, the live server automatically makes your codes reflect on your web page. Now right here we have our extensions, but to see all these extensions live, you have to connect your network, be it your phone hotspot or something, to be able to download themes and all. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was very helpful to you guys on installing and setting up your Visual Studio Code. I'd really like if you could just give me a like, drop me a comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also to my follow my WhatsApp channel also, to get more tips on coding and more coding tutorials like this one. I hope this video was very helpful. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next class and also in the next video that I'll be dropping. So please stay tuned for my next video. Thank you very much.